I found this on social media. It is a sort of bespoke white glove OpenClaw concierge service for founders and executive teams. If you need, if a CEO, a CFO, a head of sales needs leverage without creating new security risk, they get personalized OpenClaw service with Setup Claw.
Okay, so this is the Uber Black. This is the VIP level, setupclaw.com. Not going to Amazon or Cloudflare or popping up your own instance on your Mac Mini. This is, hey, I want to make something for my company, but I'm a CEO. I'm a head of sales. I need to make sure it's secure, and I need to make sure it's working.
About a month ago, I go in and I go on Twitter and I say, hey, if you're anywhere in San Francisco, then you can, I'll go to your house on a Lime scooter and I'll install OpenClaw for you on a Mac Mini. Now, this
Okay.
blew up. Suddenly, I have way more clients than I can handle. My Stripe is blowing up. And I'm thinking, okay, this is ridiculous. I install OpenClaw for some people, and I'm thinking, I'm having a terrible time. And then every time I install OpenClaw for someone, they come to me a week later saying, hey, like this broke, that broke. So what I'm basically doing now is I'm going in, I'm building out custom agents for people. I'm still helping people with their Mac Mini setups. I think
Mm-hmm.
that's important. It's a lot of fun. Keeps keeps me fresh. But I very quickly it became clear that hey, like this is not the right solution for most people. People need a SaaS. People need to just set their agents and forget it. People are busy. These are, six, seven, eight, even nine-figure founders who are like just like they don't have time to configure OpenClaw and deal with the bullshit associated. What I did is quickly I built the SaaS, and this SaaS is, I consider, the easiest way to run OpenClaw right now. You deploy an agent and then you set your crons, you set how it works. You connect, it has a full computer running. So here's like launch.co. You can log in. And once you log in, you can save your authentication, but it also connects to a bunch of tools. The goal is to eventually give every agent its own email, its own wallet, its own stealth browser. So to make it just like the most complete general horizontal agent platform available.
Everybody wants to know, J-Cal, you look great. You're no longer a fat bastard. You know why? Because of Row.co. I have been doing a GLP. Yes, it's true. And I lost 40 pounds. And I've added muscle. If you are GLP curious, Row.co is my partner. And they do a great job. Now, you don't need to get Row Sparks if you're great. You might want to pick up some Row Sparks while you're there. But I'm going to say GLPs are life-changing. Do your research and then use the checker. They have an incredible insurance checker. If your insurance doesn't cover it, man, it's getting more and more affordable thanks to folks like Row.co. What's the offer?
It's row.co/twist. If you want to check your insurance, row.co/twist. It's very affordable, very good, and you should all go check it out.